people. I depend on you. I depend on you, Lord. You are my strength. You are my